Aloha! Howzit, GrassHopper, grüß, Gott, 안녕하세요. I had to do some work on my elephant gun. I think I have a barrel with a bad crown. Currently, my is zeroed at both elevation and windage is a 90 plus MOA on top of EGW's 20 MOA base. My guess is that if I retrue the barrel crown using the Manson Precision Reamers crown kit, then it will lower the elevation and the windage. This is a two pilot kit that I bought from the Brownells. Two pilot kit comes with the 22 and 30 caliber pilot assembly. Manual trimmer, 90-degree cutter, 11-degree carbide cutter. They are carbide cutters, and also 45-degree angle outside chamfering cutter with, of course, the user manual, the carbide adjustment guide, a brush, little tool to measure how far you put it into the barrel, and the a screwdriver. So I bought a 45 caliber for 45-70 Government, or the 458 Winchester Magnum pilot assembly. This one here, it came with pieces, not assembled. However, assembling it is easy. Put one of the expander, arbor, and then the brush. Now the reason I didn't tighten the heart is that because this has to be inserted and then have to be tightened snug only, because this is a metal. If you tighten too hard, then it will possibility you will mess up the rifling. And another thing that I had to do is I have a bad mounting hole, so I have to retap it 6x48 thread. For that, I'll be using the Foster Universal Sight mounting fixture. So, let's go. Check. Alright, here's the my rifle clamp onto my vise. This block here with a 1/2 inch cut in the middle, I made this to when I was changing the bolt handles. Alright, before we begin, what I'd like to show you is this is a 11-degree cutter, and set at the factory, but I believe this this blade here is a little bit off. So instruction says that I gotta use the this adjusting tool, and then while I'm holding, I'm supposed to be tilting toward the blade, which ones that I'm adjusting, and then I gotta push in the blade to touch the adjusting tool. Now I'm pushing it toward the blade. Okay. Now the blade is touching the adjusting tool. Then I tighten. Okay. Set. Alright. The adjustable arbor with the brush inside. What I like to do is, since I'm using the cutting oil, I don't want cutting oil going to my action. So I'm going to put another patch, then put it in. And this is tool pull up. Right there. And this is tightening tool right here, like this. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use finger tight. All this is nothing more than a guide, so it doesn't move left to right or wobble. I think that is steady enough. All right, before I put in, here's my cutting oil. All around it. There we go. Then it goes on top, like so. Alright, now I'm gonna raise it up. Okay. Well, before I put it in there, okay, let me show you. Okay, here, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go really deep. This one already has a slight outside chamfer, so that's how far I'm gonna go down. I'm not gonna go half inch or quarter inch or 1/3 of an inch, whatever. Long as I see that this one is touching the previous cut, then I'm good. Okay. Instruction says you gotta press this down, this part here, like this, and then press it down and then start turning. I did a 10 revolution, and let's see. Oh, look at that. Ha! I'm done. Holy crap. Let's see, paper towel. Paper towel. I did a 10 revolution, and that's it. And it seems like I still see polished area. Yeah, I know. I'm supposed to use the brush they gave me. That was quick. If I sounded out of breath, it's because I had to press this down and then turn. Alright, here we go. 10 more turns. Yep. Beauty. Okay, now I don't see any more polished areas. It didn't take too much at all. I mean, I still got the outside chamfer, and I'm hoping this will solve my much as elevation, but also the windage. This is it. Again, all I did was a hand tight. When I pulled it, yep, right there, look at that. Cutting oil fluid on my patch. But I'm going to do it one more time anyway. From the other side. Voila. Alright, now all I have to do is, they do a Q-tip test. Yeah, nothing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the range. Aloha.